Welcome to part 2 of Korean natural farming videos. In this video, we're going to talk about Korean natural farming inputs. This video briefly overviews preparations of some of the key Korean natural farming nutrients inputs and how to mix different nutrients inputs together. I'm Koon-Hui Wang from the College of Tropical Agriculture and Human Resources at the University of Hawaii. My co-author is Kim Chang, a certified Korean natural farming instructor from Cho Global Natural Farming Inc. Besides introducing indigenous microorganisms into our agro-ecosystem, Korean natural farming also involves applying foreign nutrient inputs of various fermented or nutrient-extracted farm waste from either weeds, excess foods, or eggshells, etc. Ultimately, one of the goals of Korean natural farming is to minimize off-farm inputs. Benefits of foliar nutrients inputs include better nutrients uptake for young seedlings with a small root system. Foliar nutrients inputs also reduce the amount of nitrogen application as compared to soil-applied nitrogen fertilizer. It can also minimize nitrogen runoff. As you can see in this picture, nitrogen runoff often result in algae bloom in lakes or water reservoirs. Growers can also modify the nutrients input accordingly, especially at different growing stages. One drawback of nutrients inputs in a foliar is its response to foliar spray is often variable and non-reproducible. So how do we increase foliar uptake of a plant? As you can see in this picture, foliar uptake is easier through the cutin layer of the leaf rather than through the waxy layer of the leaf. Leaf waxy content is higher on older leaves and during the hot time of the day. Therefore, to increase foliar uptake, more absorptions occur during late afternoon or evening and more absorptions on the young growth than the old leaves. Another factor that might affect foliar uptake is due to crop type with different waxy layers. Here is a list of Korean natural farming inputs: brown rice vinegar, fermented plant juice, lactic acid bacteria, fish amino acids, coriander herb nutrients, water-soluble calcium, water-soluble calcium phosphate, mineral A, B, C, D, and seawater. You might want to take Korean natural farming lessons from certified Korean natural farming instructors in your regions. This video only provides a simple instruction to make some of these inputs. To prepare fermented plant juice or fermented fruit juice, you can mix 1 part of brown sugar with 1 part of plant material collected readily from your farm. For example, Korean watercress, portulaca, which is a common weed, and noni fruits or excess fruit harvested from your farm, or even moringa tree leaves. Fill up this ingredient to no more than 2/3 full in a glass jar and cover it with paper towel. Let it ferment for 1 week and you will have fermented plant juice. Lactic acid bacteria can be prepared by mixing 1 part of rice water with 10 parts of milk in a glass jar, fill it up to 2/3 full, and cover it with paper towel. Let it ferment for about 2 days to 3 days. You can screen out the floating particle and store the yellow solution in the fridge, or you can add equal amount of brown sugar to the yellow solution and store it in room temperatures. Fish amino acids can be prepared by mixing 1 part of fish waste, chopped up head, skin, bones, and guts with 1 part of brown sugar by weight in a big cooler, again about 2/3 full of the container. Let it ferment for 10 days to up to 3 months. Coriander herb nutrients is probably the most difficult to prepare among all Korean natural farming inputs. You will need 2 jars for angelica roots, 1 jar of licorice roots, 1 jar for cinnamon bark, 1 for garlic, 1 for ginger. Fill up this ingredient to 1/3 full of each container, and then you add 1/3 full of the container with beer. This will leave 1/3 of the container with air spaces. 2 days later, these solutions will drop down below 2/3 full, so you will add brown sugar to make the container fill up with brown sugar to 2/3 full. Leave all these containers for 7 days, and you add vodka to the top of the container, seal it, and collect 1/3 of the liquid from each jar every 2 weeks. refilled with vodka, and repeat this for 5 times. So total time to make oriental herb nutrients will be about 3 months. At the end of 3 months, you mix all the collected solution together and you will get oriental herb nutrients. Water-soluble calcium is prepared by using eggshells. Eggshells needs to be peeled and low-heat cooked for about 40 minutes to burn off excess protein. Now you can mix 1 part of these eggshells with 10 parts of vinegar and let the solution soak for 1 week and screen out the eggshells and you will get water-soluble calcium. Similarly, you can prepare water-soluble calcium phosphate by mixing 1 part of charcoal bone with 10 parts of brown rice vinegar in a 2/3 full glass jar and let the solution soak for 1 week and screen out the bones to collect your water-soluble calcium phosphate. Now that you have learned how to make different Korean natural farming inputs ingredients, you want to know how to mix these ingredients together for foliar spray. Apply Korean natural farming inputs based on the stages of growth of your plant. Standard mixtures of Korean natural farming juice include type 1 solutions, which is for the seedling stage, type 2 stage for the vegetative stage, and the changeover solution is for flowering stage. Type 3 solution is for fruiting stage. Korean natural farming inputs can be mixed together according to proportions for easy applications, which we will show you in next slide. Mixture of Korean natural farming inputs can be modified based on specific needs. You can see Cho and Cho's 2010 books for more information. This is an example on how to prepare stock solutions for Korean natural farming sprays. You can now save the rest of the stock solution in the refrigerator for future use. To prepare SES solution or seed treatment stock solutions, you will add 2 cups of fermented plant juice, 2 cups of brown rice vinegar with 1 cup of OHN and 1 cup of mineral A. To prepare a 1.5 liter spray of SES solutions, you will just need to draw 9 ml of the stock solutions and add it to 1.5 liter of water. You can prepare type 2 stock solutions by looking at the rate of each ingredient. Knowing that 1 to 500 rate is 2 times higher than 1 to 1000 rate, so to prepare type 2 stock solution, you will mix 2 cups of brown rice vinegar and 2 cups of fermented plant juice with 1 cup of OHN and 1 cup of FEE with 1 cup of mineral E. So to prepare 1.5 spray solutions of type 2, then you will draw 10.5 ml of these stock solutions and mix it with 1.5 liter of water. Type 2 solution is suitable for vegetative growth. Similarly, you can prepare type 3 stock solutions by mixing brown rice vinegar, fermented plant juice, OHN, and water-soluble calcium as stock solutions. To prepare 1.5 liter spray solution, you draw 9 ml of this stock solutions into the 1.5 liter container and add 225 ml of seawater into the container and add water to 1.5 liter mark. Type 3 solution is suitable for reproductive growth. However, sometimes mixed stages of growth occur at the same time in the same plant. Then a spray rotation of 2 weeks of type 2 followed by 1 week of type 3 solution is an option. Other Korean natural farming inputs mixture can be found in Master Cho's 2010 books. Formulations for changeover solutions, fruit cracking solutions, or even insect trap solution can be found in these books. Korean natural farming input spray can also vary from crop to crop based on their crop needs. It is important for farmers to practice good sanitation when preparing different Korean natural farming inputs to conform with food safety needs for food crop productions.